Number 1. 1956 Cadillac Series 62. Coupe de Ville, $34,500, Walnut Creek, California. Custom chop-top coupe, completely topless, exactly as shown in photos. 44,347 original miles, numbers matching GM 365 V8, 6-liter and automatic transmission. This Caddy retains its factory original engine and transmission configuration, with both units professionally rebuilt during a comprehensive restoration approximately 8 to 12 years ago. Features new fuel tank, fuel pump, and brake booster. 4-wheel disc brakes, new battery, and fresh tires. Chrome is show quality. Just the bumper re-chroming alone would run you around $8,000 today. Laser straight body with 0 dents, rust-free with solid floor pans. Interior is fully reupholstered, pristine white seats, new door panels, fresh carpets, and refinished dashboard. All lights, radio, clock, and factory gauges are fully operational. Maintains original 12-volt electrical system. Fires up instantly, transmission shifts butter smooth, no fluid leaks whatsoever. This Cadillac isn't just a looker, it's a solid driver. Engine purrs like a kitten, brakes bite strong, suspension is tight. During neighborhood test drives, it tracks straight with no weird noises or vibrations. For its age, this is one rare, well-sorted survivor, showcasing authentic 60s custom style. Clean California title car, originally owned by one family before being acquired by the current owner 8 years back.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. 1956 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer, $29,500 or best offer, Hewitt, Wisconsin. A meticulously restored 4-door hardtop, preserving all original features and trim details. Showing 40,342 documented miles with factory push-button automatic transmission. Under the hood resides a correct year 1956 277 cubic inch V8 poly engine, installed to replace the original 315 poly engine that required rebuilding. The numbers matching original engine is included in the sale, along with an assortment of spare parts and show trophies this Dodge has earned over the years. Factory power steering and power brakes make this classic and effortless cruiser. The body shines in its correct period green finish, complemented by a freshly restored black interior. The classic color combination specified for the custom Royal Lancer. Every detail remains faithful to factory specifications. Fully restored body panels, correct emblems, and period-correct trim throughout. The current owner describes this Dodge as a lovingly maintained, garage-kept survivor that's always been kept in proper running condition. The sale includes extensive documentation, historical records, and restoration photographs. Perfect for the serious collector seeking a rare mid-50s Mopar with full provenance and matching numbers authenticity. Serious inquiry. Number 3. 1952 Ford F1, $22,000 or best offer, Orange, California. This classic pickup features its numbers matching 239 cubic inch flathead V8, rebuilt 20 years back with just 5,068 miles on a replaced odometer. It retains the factory 3-speed manual transmission with column shift, finished in attractive torch red with an older restoration showing some honest wear. The truck features a fresh light beige vinyl interior, oak bed flooring, and functions perfectly for shows or cruising. An honest, well-maintained survivor with standout presence. Serious buyers are encouraged to inquire about this mechanically sorted. Number 4. 1947 Ford Woody, $75,000, Roswell, Georgia. This classic wood-bodied wagon shows just 56,000 miles and features a manual transmission with elegant black finish. According to the owner, this Ford Woody has been single-family owned since new and remains in exceptional condition. The car retains all its original wood paneling and bodywork with no visible damage, an extraordinary find for post-war models. The interior presents beautifully with factory original trim and late 40s styling. Wood inlays are perfectly aligned while the dashboard and controls remain completely stock. The vehicle presents as solid and well-maintained, ready for shows or fair weather cruising. The seller confirms all mechanical systems are serviced and mileage appropriate. The engine starts effortlessly, transmission shifts smoothly, and suspension operates quietly. The car has been carefully stored without prolonged outdoor exposure. Described as ready to show and enjoy, this preserved example is ideal for exhibitions or private collections. Family-owned vehicles with documented history rarely surface in this condition. Serious inquiries encouraged for this low-mileage numbers-matching Woody with impeccable provenance. Number 5. 1954 Mercury Monterey, $24,500 or best offer, Portland, Oregon. This two-door hardtop shows 84,000 miles and features Mercury Alpine white paint with brilliant red pearl top. Powered by a 1956 Thunderbird 292 Y-block engine with 4-barrel Holley carburetor and dual exhaust, mated to a modern 204R automatic overdrive transmission. The front suspension features new Aerostar springs and shocks with Ford Granada disc brakes while retaining factory power steering and brake systems. Converted to 12-volt electrical system with detailed chrome engine bay. Rides on wide Firestone white wall tires. Completely refreshed interior features, stunning candy apple upholstery with power front seat, front and rear seat belts, and fully trimmed trunk. Period correct Foxcraft full skirts and subtle pinstriping complete the classic look. Includes matching snap-on tools with pearl handles. Seller notes $24,500 OBO and will consider trades for panhead or knucklehead motorcycles or 1940 to 1941 Ford pickups. Number 6. 1952 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 Deluxe, $25,000 or best offer, Johnstown, Colorado. This two-door coupe shows 50,579 miles, finished in deep metallic blue with pearl white roof. Powered by a modern 396 cubic inch big block V8, mated to a B&M 4-speed automatic transmission. The interior has been completely refreshed with black upholstery, new panels, and zero signs of wear. The body presents straight with no corrosion, all chrome trim intact, and rides on new tires with a solid underpinning. The engine bay shows meticulous detailing with fresh wiring and hoses, complemented by a smooth flowing exhaust. This Oldsmobile retains its early 50s character while delivering confident modern performance. A single family owned vehicle since purchase, always garage kept. Seller notes, solid no rust, and like new tires. Priced at $25,000 or best offer, all serious offers considered. Perfect for buyers who appreciate honest restorations without excess, this Rocket 88 delivers classics. Number 7. 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, $23,900, Santa Fe, Texas. Showing 74,714 miles, this classic features 3 on-the-tree manual, shifting, and the original 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine. Finished in period-correct brown paint with well-preserved factory interior, this Bel Air received comprehensive body-off restoration before the engine was completely rebuilt in 2015 and rarely driven since. This year's mechanical updates include new front brakes and master cylinder, while remaining needs consist of heater core replacement and wiper motor service. The car drives smoothly and remains garage kept in Santa Fe, Texas. Priced at $23,900 with realistic offers considered, will also entertain trades for 1957 Chevrolet models of equivalent value. Number 8. 1950 Chevrolet 3100 $20,000, Meade, Colorado. This pickup shows 52,000 miles and features a 4-speed manual transmission with the original 216 cubic inch inline-6 engine. Finished in classic gray with brown interior, this was reportedly a former service vehicle for Denver University. What old-timers would call an old Denver University rig. The truck runs and drives with all controls and transmission functioning properly for its era. The body presents with straight sheet metal, correct proportions, and a well-maintained interior. Given its preserved condition and documented history, this 3100 represents prime interest for collectors seeking original, unmodified working examples. Priced at $20,000 and located in Meade, Colorado. Number 9. 1951 Ford Victoria two-door hardtop, $23,000, Dewey, Arizona. Showing 57,000 miles on the odometer, believed to be original. Powered by a flathead V8 paired with a 3-speed manual on the column. Finished in sportsman green with a contrasting Sea Island light green roof and a clean gray interior. This Victoria is well cared for and runs great. The owner regularly takes it to local car shows and community events. The drivetrain is maintained, shifts are smooth, and the engine runs strong. The body is straight with no signs of rust. Chrome is well preserved and all trim and moldings are intact. The interior is tidy, upholstery shows no tears, and all gauges function properly. Stored in Prescott Valley near Fane and Highway 69, asking $23,000. A solid choice for a collector who values originality and honest condition without modifications. Reach out for more details. Number 10. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Convertible, $38,000, Henrietta, Oklahoma. Showing 69,000 miles with manual transmission, this classic was restored approximately 10 years back to factory specifications. Powered by its flathead Vi-8 with a Columbia 2-speed rear axle that operates flawlessly and shows like new internally. Finished in deep maroon with zero corrosion, this convertible has never had any rust. The paint presents well for a driver-quality vehicle, though not show-perfect. All body components and fasteners remain correct, demonstrating meticulous restoration. The interior remains completely intact with fully functional original radio. The power top mechanism requires service. The pump motor is frozen, requiring manual operation, though the canvas itself appears like new. Includes additional rear fender skirts needing refinishing. The owner reports it runs and drives very nice with proven reliability, logging over 1,000 miles last summer. Priced at $38,000 in Henrietta, Oklahoma. No trades considered. Number 11. 1954 Plymouth Plaza, $6,000, Detroit, Michigan. Showing approximately 126,000 miles with a manual transmission. Powered by a 230 cubic inch flathead inline 6, backed by a 3-speed manual and a 3.73 to 1 rear axle. It's a true driver. Fires right up, brakes feel solid, and the manual steering is surprisingly light. Rolling on pie crust bias ply tires all around. The brake system's been completely gone through. New wheel cylinders, master cylinder, shoes, springs, and hoses. Also fitted with a new gas tank and sending unit, fresh front tires, and a rebuilt fuel pump. Inside, the gray interior features a hidden Bluetooth radio with a dual-cone 6x9 speaker, retractable shoulder belts, and patched front floors. Everything works except the engine temperature gauge. All lights and signals operate properly, including the taxi roof light. There's visible rust ahead of the left rear wheel and in the trunk floor, plus a cracked driver's door glass. A new replacement glass comes with the car. Previously used for a history tour business called Detroit Jalopies, decals have been removed. Seller may consider a trade for a complete pre-1955 tow truck, $6,000 or best offer. A solid, honest Plymouth for someone who... Number 12. 1960 Cadillac DeVille 2-door hardtop, $80,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. Showing 52,000 miles with automatic transmission, this luxury coupe features its exceptionally rare factory Persian sand finish, a color seldom seen even among collectible Cadillacs. Powered by its numbers-matching 390 cubic inch V8 that runs flawlessly, this DeVille rides on a completely new air suspension system from Cash Candy Classics with rear control arms and wishbone components. The coupe rolls on fresh 15-inch true spoke wheels with new white wall Coker tires. All chrome presents excellently beneath quality paintwork with all mechanical systems fully serviced. The Cadillac starts instantly and tracks straight. The seller notes it's fully sorted for immediate touring. Located in Las Vegas and priced at $80,000, open to possible trades. An ideal acquisition for collectors who appreciate rare factory colors and meticulously maintained DeVille. Number 13. 1926 Ford Model T Frontenac Roadster, $22,900, Draper, Utah. This coupe-style racer shows just 300 miles since completion with period-correct manual transmission. Finished in dramatic jet black with red interior, mounted on 5 red wire wheels with white wall tires. Mechanical specifications include a correct 177 cubic inch Model T 4-cylinder equipped with rare Frontenac R cylinder head, featuring 3-port design and custom fabricated exhaust manifold, delivering authentic speedway roar. Features 2-speed planetary transmission, functioning Stewart flat face speedometer, 4-spoke wooden steering wheel, and polished brass ignition and fuel controls. The dashboard features machined aluminum finish beneath an original steel hood. The body showcases aerodynamically formed aluminum panels with flush aircraft-style riveting, typical of the era. Cooling capacity is enhanced with a 2-gallon enlarged radiator for high-speed running, supplemented by a 20-gallon fuel tank for endurance events. Presented as a fully realized period-correct custom speedster, serious inquiries requested. Perfect for collectors and enthusiasts of vintage, track-inspired speedsters.
This is our volunteer that's in here today. Where's Brad? Hey, Brad!
There you go. Number 14, 1953 GMC 1/2 ton pickup, $28,500, Austin, Texas, showing 65,000 miles with automatic transmission, finished in red with gray interior. This truck has recently undergone comprehensive mechanical refurbishment. The suspension, transmission, and fuel systems have all been renewed, with all major components either replaced or rebuilt. Number 15, 1963 Chevrolet Nova Wagon, $32,500, Queen Creek, Arizona, showing 65,900 miles with automatic transmission. Finished in green exterior with completely new custom brown interior. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with modern Sniper EFI fuel injection. Features upgraded braking with front disc and rear drum configuration. Factory air conditioning ensures comfortable daily driving. The seller notes this Nova starts right up, even after sitting, and delivers dependable operation. An ideal choice for buyers seeking a classic Chevrolet wagon with fresh interior and modern reliability. Number 16, 1957 Ford Thunderbird 2-door convertible, $19,000, Lake Forest, California, showing 50,300 miles with automatic transmission. This classic 2-door convertible presents in white with red interior. Having undergone partial restoration, this California-built example retains its original rust-free bodywork, includes both removable hardtop for coupe configuration and factory soft top for open-air motoring. Equipment maintains factory original specifications with manual steering, manual windows, and standard drum brakes, delivering pure Number 17, 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster base, $12,500, Central Point, Oregon, showing 12,345 miles with 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. finished in beige with classic configuration featuring the 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and original 6-volt electrical system. This example retains mostly original components throughout, supplemented with period-correct accessories, including bumper guards, banjo steering wheel, and Fulton sun visor. The column shift transmission operates properly, and the vehicle starts and stops as designed, though the interior requires refurbishment. Seller specifically notes, "Price is firm with no negotiations entertained." Number 18, 1953, Ford F1, $13,000, Tulsa, Oklahoma, showing 85,000 miles with Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. This Golden Jubilee edition features the 239 cubic inch flathead V8 engine paired with period-correct automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives but needs mechanical attention. The seller notes issues with either the fuel delivery system or carburetor. Number 19, 1937, Ford truck, $5,000, Topsham, Maine, showing 52,000 miles with manual transmission, powered by a later 53 flathead 8BA V8 engine, features custom-built bed construction, runs and drives under its own power, though noted to have radiator seepage. Seller also offers additional parts truck for $1,000, featuring complete factory cab and bodywork. Ideal opportunity for enthusiasts seeking solid project foundation with running flathead power and rare early components. Number 20, 1949, Packard 8, $6,000, Braham, Minnesota. This 4-door sedan from the 22nd series features manual transmission showing 57,532 miles with blue exterior and interior. The vehicle comes with clean title documentation. According to the seller, the engine cranks but will not start. The automobile has been predominantly garage kept throughout its life. The sale includes spare parts accumulated by previous owners, along with complete documentation, including ownership history from original purchase and records of period modifications. Strictly sold as tow-away, requires flatbed transport or trailer removal from Number 21, 1949, Chevrolet 3100 short bed, $36,000, Wahoo, Nebraska. Full frame-off restoration showing just 6,800 miles since completion. Automatic transmission finished in red exterior with tan interior. Powered by a 350 V8 paired with automatic transmission, featuring power steering and power front disc brakes with Chevrolet 10-bolt rear end. Includes modern air conditioning, billet tilt steering column, and updated sound system. All gauges and lighting remain fully operational. The owner describes this truck as turnkey, starting and driving without issues. Minimal miles accumulated since restoration completion. Currently listed as pending sale, but represents prime interest for buyers seeking a fully sorted classic pickup with modern conveniences and professional build quality.
That's just a little wet right there from spot clean. Kind of go fast because Facebook only gives me 1 minute. You can always slow down the video and redo it if you need to. Front disc brakes, Chevy 12 bolt, or pardon me, Chevy 10 bolt rear, power steering, power brakes, aftermarket AC. Runs and drives absolutely perfect.
Number 22, 1953 Chevrolet Classic Wagon, $12,000, Crescent City, California. Showing just 999 miles since completion with PowerGlide automatic transmission. This wagon features a 350 Chevrolet V8 with headers, updated suspension, and classic PowerGlide transmission. Finished in custom black and purple combination, representing older customization that presents as well-maintained and cohesive. The owner reports less than 1,000 miles accumulated since completion. The interior maintains period style, while exterior reflects tidy old-school custom character. Ideal for buyers seeking an affordable project with running V8. Number 23, 1934 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, $31,000, Prescott, Arizona. Showing just 300 miles since completion, turbo 400 automatic transmission. Powered by a 350 V8 with distinctive loopy idle. Features tilt steering column, power windows, and air conditioning. Finished in yellow with custom pinstriping, shaved door handles, and deleted emblems. Tan interior presents neatly while complementing the exterior styling. This coupe has accumulated only approximately 300 miles and is being sold by owner through intermediary. The vehicle presents as well-sorted and thoughtfully constructed without excessive ornamentation. An excellent choice for buyers seeking a fully realized 1934 Ford coupe with reliable mechanics and completed custom presentation. Number 24, 1941 Dodge D150, short bed, $19,000, Buxton, Maine. Showing 123,456 miles with automatic transmission. This custom build features a 1941 cab mounted on a 2010 Ford Ranger chassis frame, powered by a 6-liter Chevrolet V8 equipped with Stage 4 camshaft and FIC fuel injectors. The 4L60 transmission was built by All Balls Transmission with Circle D 3,200 stall torque converter. Rear end features S10 differential with Positraction unit. The interior showcases custom fabricated panels, under-dash hot rod heater, and hidden Bluetooth audio system with quality speakers. Rides on 18-inch mob steel wheels. The truck successfully completed a Maine to California round trip this spring, described by the owner. Number 25. 1965 Volkswagen Type 2 Transporter, $15,000, San Diego, California. 91,489 miles, automatic transmission. Seller notes, price is firm, with no trades considered. Classic split window body style, finished in gray exterior with gray interior. This bus features a modified 1914 cubic centimeter engine with dual carburetors, delivering strong road performance. Equipped with Freeway Flyer transmission for comfortable modern highway cruising. Updated 12-volt electrical system improves starting and lighting performance, complemented by front disc brakes. The owner states this VW Transporter runs and drives great. It retains classic character while incorporating sensible upgrades for daily usability. Perfect for buyers seeking a reliable split window bus with improved mechanics and authentic atmosphere. Number 26. 1940 Ford Convertible Street Rod, $42,500, Rotunda West, Florida. Approximately 10,000 miles, automatic transmission. Current owner has maintained this vehicle for 43 years. Body remains largely original, except for fiberglass rear fenders, accommodating wider tires. Finished in black base clear coat with all metal running boards, bumperless configuration, and custom third brake light with dual auxiliary lights below deck lid. Powered by Blueprint engines, Chevrolet 350 V8 featuring Edelbrock aluminum intake, aluminum cylinder heads, and Holley carburetor, producing estimated 400 plus horsepower. Chassis utilizes Chevrolet Nova suspension and rear axle with 3.08 gears. Includes power windows, power doors, modern audio system, and aluminum wheels with quality radials. Interior presents in excellent condition with black power top and matching tonneau cover. Owner documents coast to coast, driving without mechanical issues, described as great driver. Sale prompted by owner's advanced age, approaching 84 years. Ideal for buyers seeking a sorted street rod. Number 27. 1947 Plymouth two-door coupe, $9,000 or best offer, Hot Springs, South Dakota. Showing 123,456 miles with manual transmission, finished in maroon exterior. This coupe underwent restoration some time ago and remains fully operational throughout. The engine starts readily, chassis components function properly, and all instruments work correctly. The automobile maintains classic factory specifications without modernization and presence in well-kept condition. The seller confirms this Plymouth is fully roadworthy. Number 28. 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe, $25,000, Dayton, Nevada. Showing 30,000 miles with manual transmission. Finished in deep blue exterior with brown interior. Powered by a 302 cubic inch inline-six engine, the classic straight-six configuration delivering smooth, reliable performance. Interior presents in excellent condition with no visible wear, while exterior paint appears even and fresh. The seller describes the interior as immaculate, with overall tidy, well-maintained appearance. Listed on behalf of the owner's friend with firm pricing at $25,000. The seller emphasizes this coupe combines authentic 30s styling with old-school power from its torque. Number 29. 1926 Ford T Roadster, $12,000, Los Angeles, California. Showing 12,345 miles, automatic transmission. Features all-steel body mounted on Model A chassis. Powered by Chevrolet 305 V8, delivering solid hot rod performance. Equipped with Power Glide transmission, banjo rear end, 16-inch early Ford wheels with new white-wall radial tires. Black interior features seat belts discreetly tucked between cushions. Dual exhaust maintains quiet operation, while distinctive Ahuga horn provides authentic character. Clear 1926, title with current registration. Seller notes, this Roadster delivers comfortable cruising while consistently drawing admiring attention.